Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen.
Today I'll be showing you how to make asparagus.
First thing is to rinse your asparagus. And then what I like to do is just cut off a little bit of the bottom just because it is very dry and we don't want that in our food. After chopping the ends, I like to put it on a baking sheet with a parchment paper. And now let's season this. Let's add in some olive oil, some salt, some pepper, and some fresh lemon juice. And now with your hands, just mix it all in together. Now I'm just going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. So one thing to make sure of, if your asparagus are thicker, leave it in for about 15 to 20 minutes. If it's thin like this, 5-10 minutes is enough. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is my version of the asparagus. Simple and tasty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and hit that bell notification for my newest videos. Let's have a bite.